Alright, I'm just going to give you an example of how to get the public email of person without putting any domain or any info about what's their public domain or their domain name, right? Or like for instance gmail.com, hotmail.com, or their public domain or their business domain. Okay, here's the example of true persons. Okay, list of people, their first and last name. Okay, and this is saved on CSV, right? And I'm going to upload them here on this website, and it will going to capture all the email address in a short while. Okay, hold on. All right, we're going to upload the file. Here's the file. I'm going to start the upload. Okay, this might take a few minutes. I'm going to pause for a short while. Okay, right, as you can see, the total is 20, and the completed search will be 20. We're going to view the file now. Okay. Alright, we missed out on some names like this one and this one. We only got 18 valid emails. Okay, thank you very much.